Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Right now let's get into the charts as Bitcoin is right now, as you can see, pushing at the value area high of this range that we have been consolidating in since November 21st of 2025. So basically we have been in this range for about 44 days, as you can see right here. So it is right now the make it or break it zone for Bitcoin, as you can see. If we go on a lower time frame, we do have some very important levels right here that I have on my charts. It is from this indicator, if you're wondering, it's called Spaceman BTC key levels. And right here I basically have the daily open, the weekly open, the monthly and the yearly, and those two white lines that we have right here that say Monday high and Monday low, they are our Monday range. Basically you can see right here, if we go into the indicator, this is our Monday range. I have it enabled right here, as you can see. So it is a very important range that basically it decides during the open and close of Monday, Bitcoin creates a range right here. And as you can see, we have been consolidating in this range. And right now we are actually broken out of this range. And we are also hitting very, very key level. Basically this value area high of this range. So it is right now very important if Bitcoin can break out of here, or if we are going to see that rejection happen and potentially retest the POC once again, which is also correlating with the monthly and the yearly open levels. Now something very interesting is that the Bitcoin dominance is having quite a hit to the downside, and this is causing some of the altcoins, as you can see, to rally very, very high. If we go here on my alts watch list, you can see Sui is up tremendously this week. The Penguin coin Pengu is also up a lot. Peanut is also up. Pepe is also like the runner this time, you can see. And you can see right here, since the Monday low range and the yearly and monthly open, we are up 70% right here. You can see around 77% since the beginning of this month, and today is the 4th of January. Basically the altcoins have been running very, very nicely. Bitcoin also did run nicely, as you can see. If we measure that bounce from the POC, we are up around 5%. Ethereum is also from that POC level up around 6%, as you can see. So very, very nice moves. I was, as I said, expecting for the actual moves to happen basically at the beginning of next week, basically the 5th of January on Monday, since this is where this week is going to be the markets back to normal. As you can see, we have a lot of news. The week after that, we also have a lot of news, so everything will be back to normal. But right now, the case that we are pumping during this weekend time, you can see we have our CME futures closed at 90k, and right now Bitcoin is trading at 91.2k. So we are leaving a quite significant of a gap basically on the CME futures. And also right here we have the previous support into resistance flip. As you can see right here, previously this was acting the gap right here from back in April, the last year of 2025, that we dipped down below before, and it acted as perfect support right here. Then we lost it, and ever since then it has been acting as a resistance, and Bitcoin is right now just in this level up right here. The CME futures will be opening in around 7 hours, so it's going to be a very, very interesting open. The stock markets are also potentially going to have a very interesting open. As you can see, the futures, they will also open in about 7 hours. So very interesting to see. what the new week will bring us. The open interest for Bitcoin is, as you can see, still nice and high. We do have backup for this move, and we also do have some nice volume coming in. Even though it is the weekend, open interest is rising, CVD is also starting to build up right here, so very possible that we get continuation of this move coming into the next week, and we see finally a breakout of this range. Now, of course, 94k would be again the most important resistance level. If we draw a Fibonacci from not from the top, I think actually from this low, if I remember correctly, or was it from the low? Yeah, exactly, it was from the lows of April. As you can see, previously we have rejected from here 1, 2, 3, basically 4, 5 times we have rejected from this level, and right now Bitcoin is building up that move to potentially test the 618 Fibonacci level again. So it would be a very important test of this zone right here. If we manage to flip it, then 100k, that psychological level basically would be the next target. You can see on the liquidation heat map we still have a lot of liquidity sitting on top, but we also did leave quite a bit of liquidity sitting on the downside. But right now, once Bitcoin is gaining momentum, it is a very possible that we go and sweep the liquidity which is sitting on top first. And on the Fear and Greed index, you can see we are finally back into that neutral zone. I have been talking about this. The market sentiment is getting that reset that everybody has been waiting for. Everybody will start to flip bullish. You can see right here we are right now at 40, and if Bitcoin pumps, I think just below like 94 to 96k, we can easily get back into that grid zone around 60, and then we are potentially going to get that move down that potentially will look something like this. We range here, we break out towards potentially 100k, maybe even a bit higher, and then Bitcoin goes down and sweeps those lows right here. Of course, this is going to take some time to play out, but other than that, the long versus shorts ratio for the day, as you can see, we have more buyers in the market. As you can see right now, funding rates on the major exchanges being for Bitcoin negative on some of the exchanges, but still pretty nice to see. And the news for next week, we do have tomorrow PMI, we do have for Wednesday, for the 7th of January, JOLTS, and we do have unemployment on Friday. So pretty nice volatility will be coming up with next week. And I think this covers it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments if you want to if you want me to review some altcoins. I'll be gladly doing that, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.